Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Team Fortress 2 on your Chromebook, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash the subscribe button with notifications on so you don't miss my video. If you want to go even more, support my channel, you can buy my memberships starting at $5 a month. It would be greatly appreciated, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so before we start this tutorial, you will need to go to this website, which is linked in the description below. As always, go to the top right of the screen, click on it, sign in or sign up for an account because you're going to need one for this game. After that, go to the search bar and type Team Fortress 2. It will pop up right here on Steam, and then you want to click Add it to your library. Then there'll be a continue button, click that, it will be right here. Then you want to go to this website, which is also linked in the description below. And then you want to add it to your Steam library. You need a Steam account, as always. Make a Steam account, sign in, go to search the store and type Team Fortress 2, or go to the link in the description below after making a Steam account, then add it to your library. After you're done with that, close the Steam website and click play on Team Fortress 2. It will say looking for the next available rig, 17 minutes, wait 17 minutes, and then you guys can play. Once it's done, it'll say your rig is ready, and then click continue. Then click find a game. Enjoy Team Fortress 2 on your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment W, subscribe, you get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shouts for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. If you subscribe to me, one of these shouts will be you guys. Enjoy Team Fortress 2 on your Chromebook, and it's IrwinTech signing out.